Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, September the 4th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it cipher block. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. These puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Not all. Why not? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, this afternoon I've already solved 3 regular puzzles. So the total of 7 puzzles for a day, that's a lot. That's a lot. Alright. The first one I will solve is a 3 stars puzzle number 9210. Well, 9210. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, it's surprising this one has 24, not 25, but 24. Should be a 4 stars puzzle. 4 stars puzzle, it's always 24 printed digits. For 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We'll see. So let's get started. In this row, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this big square, so no 4 in these 3 marks. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. We have 4 in that column, no 4 there. The only place left with 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left with 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4, 4. 4, 4. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We have a 4 in this row, no 4 in these 3 boxes. We have 4 in this column, no 4 in those 2 boxes. So the 4 in this big square could be here, could be there. 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row. 4 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 7. 7. 8. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 2, 2. Let me think. 8. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these 3 boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be there. 2, 3, 5. So what are these 3 missing numbers? Those missing numbers are 1, 2 is missing, 3 is missing, 4 and a 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. What are these missing numbers in this row? For numbers, 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 169, 169. All right. Then then need 8 here. Well, we have a pair again. 7 and 8 in this row. 7 and 8 in that row. So in the row between. The only 2 places left for the 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have a 7 in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here and 8 goes there. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing. 3 is missing. 2, 3. The 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. 2, 3, 5. Okay, so 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. What are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing, 3 is missing, the 4 and the 5 is missing. 2, 3, 5. We have a 2 and a 5 in this column, so no 2 and a 5 in this box. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 2 goes there, so 1 digit left. Should be the 3. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers to 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row. First row, the only place left 8 should be there. 8, 8. Need a 4 here. Need a 2 there. Then let me see. Need a 1 here. Well, 3, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and a 5. We have 1 and a 5 in the second row, so no 1 and 5 in these two boxes. 1 and 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. So what are these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1. 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 2, 6, 9. 2, 6, 9. That means 1 digit left in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. So need a 3 there. And I need need a 8, need a 9, need a 9. 1, 1. Well, 1 in this column, 1 in that column, fifth column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. No 1 there, 1 should be there. I need an 8 here. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in the last row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between, only 3 places left, 8 should be here or there. We have an 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in that column, no 8 there. Only place left, 8 should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between, the middle column, the only place left, 7 should be there. Can I count the 8s? And all the 8s are used. I can't see. This is number 1, number 8. 7 in this column, 7 in the third column, so the column between the second column, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the last row, so the row between, the only 2 places left, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Can I count? Yes, and all the 7s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 7. Need a 4 here. How about the 5? About 1. 1 in the last row. 1 in the row above, shown in that row. So only 2 places left, 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be there. 1, 6, 9. I need a 5 here. Well. Need a 6 here or there. No 6. How about the 2 in the last row? 2 in the row above, so that row, the only place left, 2 should be there. Need a 3, need a 6, and I need a 5 here. 2. 2. Come on. 2. Need a 2 here or there. Need a 3 or there. 2, 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1. Need a 2. 3, 4. Need a 5. Here can be 5. 5. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers in the second column is the number 5. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 5 there. Here can be 5, we have a 5 in this row, so no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be here. So the other two numbers should be the 2 and the 3 here. 2 and a 3, we have a 2 now in this column, third column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 3 goes there. 2 in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column between. Second column, the only place left 2 should be there. One box left now in this column. Second column for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column, so the third column, the only place left 6 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, the 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 9 in this first row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 2 numbers left now in the third row for numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, and the 5. 6 is missing, 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We need to wait here, 3 and 6. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2 is missing, 2 and 4. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, 4 goes there. And then 4 in this row, 4 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4, it should be there. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 5 and 9, 5 and 9. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 9 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for number 1, 2, 3 is missing. 1 box left in this row for number 3 again. 1, 2, 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. Oh wait, 3 and 6. We have 3 now in the last column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have 6 in the last column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing here. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 to 2. 3 is missing. The 4 to 5. 6 is missing. 3 and 6. 3 and the 6 cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those. 2, 3, 5. 2. 3. Let me think. 2, 3, 5. 2, 6, 9. 2, 9. No 6s here. Well. 7, the 8. How about the 3s? No. The 5s. Overlooked 1 and a 5. We have a 5 already in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1, 6, 9. Well, we have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. We have a 1 in that column, no 1 there. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. So the other 2 numbers should be the 6 and the 9. 6 and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Okay. Here are 2 numbers left in the middle column. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, 5, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and the 6. Well, we have 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 2 goes there. So the other 2 should be the 3 and the 5. We have a 5 in this column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and the 6. We have 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here. 6 goes there. 6 and the 9. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. 9 goes there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 14 minutes. Wow. Well, for 4 stars. Well, not the 4 stars, not the 3 stars, not the 2 stars. Let me give this a 1 star. I'm faster than 50 minutes. So, well, pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it to solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.